That would have been it.
Everyone gives their
That would have been the level.
the discussion around
We touched up
policy
at 410 to
the majority
400
view
and just ripped down.
was still what it has been, which is that inflation's running above target, maximum employment is right at target. That means policy should be a little bit restrictive, somewhat restrictive, because we want inflation to move all the way back to its target. So that's where people have been and still are. Two of our members felt that the time had come to cut, and that they, for the reasons that they're going to express, I won't tell you the reasons they'll issue some kind of a thing in the next day or so. So, but that's the story, and I would say, well argued, very thoughtfully argued all around the table, good arguments, and it's a situation where an unusual situation. The economy is in good shape, but it's an unusual situation where you have risks to both your employment mandate and your inflation mandate. That's the nature of a supply shock. And it's probably not surprising that there would be differences and different perspectives on that, as well as different views of where the neutral rate is, so the different views of how tight policy is. So we have those. I will say what you hope is that people explain their positions very thoughtfully and clearly, and we absolutely had that today, all the way around the table. I would call it one of the better meetings I can recall from that standpoint.
And you've said you're waiting to be confident inflation is heading toward your 2% target before you start cutting rates. When you do get that confidence, would you be in favor of lowering rates right away?
It's not quite the way I would put it. I said that's why we think policy should be restrictive, is because inflation is above target. When we have risks to both goals, one of them is farther away from goal than the other, and that's inflation. Maximum employment's at goal, so that means policy should be tight, because tight policy is what brings inflation down. If you came to the view that the risks to the two were more in balance, that would imply that policy shouldn't be restrictive. It should be more neutral, a neutral stance, and that would be somewhat lower than where we are now. No one knows exactly where that is. So that's the framework I think I'd be taking, and we'll just have to see. We're going to be obviously looking at a lot of data in the next cycle. It is one of the cycles where we have 2 employment and 2 inflation reports, and we'll see where that takes us.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for taking the question. Jeff Cox from CNBC.com. A metric that you like to cite a lot is the final sales to private domestic purchasers. That was down to a 1.2% gain in second quarter from 1.9% in Q1, suggesting that there's some softening in underlying demand. I was wondering if you look at that, you combine that with some of the housing numbers, the weakness that you acknowledged at the top of your remarks, that the housing market is in fact weak, and the inflation numbers from GDP today came down 2.1% for headline, 2.5% for core. I'm wondering how much more movement you would need to see from these data points before you would be comfortable with cutting in, say, September.
It's going to be the total.
This could be a pumper or a dumper question.
I think for the first half, private domestic final purchases, or final sales as people call it, was 1.6 on the first half. GDP, I believe, is 1.2%. That's the whole half. You mentioned the quarters.
Up 2,300 on the day so far. So,
is bumpy quarter to quarter.
if I take another trade, I'll be giving some of that back.
And often gets revised, after the fact. The labor market data, we still think is, continue to think is the best data we have on the economy, and that shows a 4.1% unemployment rate. It shows wages, still at a healthy level, but moving ever closer to what we would regard as long-run sustainable, consistent with longer-run productivity and 2% inflation. So the labor market is actually still quite solid. Inflation is above target, even ignoring tariffs. It's a little bit above target, and tariffs. So we're watching all of that, and again, trying to do the right thing in what is a challenging situation, because you're being pulled in 2 directions, and you have to decide which of those it took to go in. And actually, at some point, if they're if they're sort of equally at risk, then you really want to be at a neutral policy stance, which we're
35,
not right now.
450.
Is it safe to say that if the data kind of stays in line with where it is right now, that you wouldn't be comfortable with cutting in September?
I'm not gonna say that. No, I just think we're gonna need to see the data, and it can go in many different directions. The inflation data and the employment data, and we're going to make a judgment based on all of the data and based on that balance of risks analysis that I mentioned.
Thank you.
We're cranking. 455.
Thanks, Chair Powell. Greg Robb from MarketWatch. The Treasury Secretary has said recently that it would be
460, I'm
confusing
still
for
watching.
markets if you stayed on as a governor after your term as chair ends. And I was wondering if you had any update for us on a decision on that front.
Sorry, I do not have any update for you. Thanks very much, everyone.
Tested a small piece of shorts. It stops with tight stops at 469. So only 17 points of risk. Tried that piece of shorts, guys. Got filled at 52. So far, so good. Tight risk, hard stops at 67. Not in a buy. Alright, get that stupid music off. Only level I had on watch was at 450, so if we go back up, I was up 23, almost 2,400, so I'll give some of that back. Trading light size. So far, we're up about 20 points from that entry. If it goes back up, I'm just going to let it stop me out at 67. Or 68, excuse me. Went up 20 points, so it was already 1-to-1, but not worth it for me to take any down there. Not worth it to take it off even here, up 10 points. Got a good entry. Why would I take it off? Why wouldn't I just let it stop me out? Or go to new low a day. If we get that, that's a massive trade. It's up 20 points so far, so you can manage how you see fit, guys. You can manage how you see fit. 20 points from that entry. I'd like to see more. There we go. There we go. I'm going to take a little off here at 25. Taking a little off here at 25, guys. Taking a few contracts. There we go. Fuck yeah, guys. There we go. We're up 50 or 32 points. 30 points, guys. 30 points. Trail your stops to break even. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, my friends. Almost 40 points. Almost 40 points, everybody. Almost 40 points. Make sure your stops are at break even. How about them apples, baby? How about them apples? I told y'all, stay patient for that 450 and we will get paid. I told y'all, man. I told y'all, stay patient for the 450 and we'll get paid. And now stops are moved down. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Stops are a break even on the rest. Break even on the rest. Almost a 40-point trade there. I'd like to see more out of it, too. I'd like to see more out of it. Come on. Let's go down sub 400. If we can get sub 400, I think we can get low a day. If we can get sub 400, I think we can get low a day. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Any of y'all take that in Team Bowl? Any of y'all riding this? Let's go. Let's go sub 400, baby. Let's go sub 400. Let's go. Yup. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving down. Come on. No mercy. Get your paper, everybody. Make sure y'all have taken some of your gains off. I knew we were going to get one, baby. Oh, shit. I forgot Jared. I forgot Jared Tendler's live already. Oh, fuck. I forgot to send the link. We're printing. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. I'm still in this trade. I'm still in this trade, guys. I'm still in this trade. I want sub 400. Why would I sell right now? What would make me sell right now? We got a great entry up at 52. We've taken some off. Why would I sell everything right now when we could potentially break 400 and go to low a day? We might get stopped out break even. But if we get low a day, we're getting paid. Get paid, my boy. Get paid. Get paid, my boy. Get paid. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Please, I hope some of y'all used code Jdun, went to Milk FFF. They got 60% off all their evals. Apex is 50% off. Tradeify is 50% off as well. Use code Jdun and go take money from my old prop firm or the other prop firms, please. Hard stops are set and we're chilling, my friends. We're vibing. Why would we sell? Why would we even think about selling right now? Well, I mean, you're up 2-3R. I guess that could be a reason. But I definitely recommend taking some off, letting the rest ride. If you get a good entry, pay yourself for it. Let this be the moment where you stay patient. We're up 40 points from entry right now. 40 points. We had 17 points of risk. We're up 40 points from entry. Let's go. Snatched a payout from FFF. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I want to see us break 400. We're up almost 50 points here. You hear that call out, Gene? That was, there we go. Broke 400, baby. One more off. Final runner. Really called shorts up here, bro, at 52.
Yeah, I know.
Right here.
That was
Last runner is just running.
That was the low of the 15-minute open.
Last runner is running, baby. That's what I'm saying. We had that confluence there. That's why I was saying that up until the point we got there, that's the spot.
I took that on my email.
That was the spot.
Half past it. Good shit, Jacob.
Someone said, I'll kiss your toes if 400 goes. Well, I got the puppies out, and we are below 400, so y'all better get to licking these toes, baby. I'm kidding. Definitely don't do that. That was a joke, but... that was a joke. That was a joke. That was a joke. So you stay away from my toes. We are down. I'm still holding my final runner in this trade. We won't low a day. Is anybody holding with me? Let me get a roll call. Who is still rocking with this trade? We are up over 60 points on this trade. Yes! Over 60 points. Over 60 points. Let's go. Just passed my apex on that trade. Let's go. I'm telling y'all, you use code Jdun, you get discounts, and I do my best to help y'all pass them. Ain't no one else doing that. Let's go. Come on now. And the cool thing was that wasn't even some news gambling BS trade. Do you guys see why I like that trade? Why did I like that trade? We had an aggressive sell candle with opening print right here, opening low at that 450. So when we come up, we wick back down, we set our stops above this candle high. It gives us clear defined risk and gives us a high probability area that's where we are going to reject. And that's exactly what happened. All right, I'm going to move my stops on this trade to... We'll move them to 422. 422 if we hit, I'm out. 422 if we hit, I'm out, everybody. We hit 422, I'm out. I'm out if we hit 422. Absolutely solid trade.
Does that count as a mega trade?
Not yet. 30 more points will be at mega trade. If we get low a day, it will be mega trade. I swear I will rip my shirt off and run around the office with that camera on if we get to mega trade. If we get to 23,352, I'll turn on the camera for the office at the Team Bull headquarters. I'll rip my shirt off and I'll swing it in the air like I'm a cowboy. Passed my Apex 300K eval in 1 day using your code. If we get mega trade, Gene just said he would do the same thing. He definitely didn't say that, but I said it for him. Oh my gosh, that was a nasty trade, guys. That was awesome.
It goes 100 points.
100 points, I swear to goodness gracious.
I'll go Nacho Libre style.
I'm running around. I swear to gosh, I'll do it. If we do it, I'll run around this office, as you guys can see on the screen. And I'll go crazy. I already took most of it off. I swear I'll do it. You don't believe me? Watch us get 100. Watch us get 30 more points. Watch us get 30 more points. Y'all see that TikTok? We're at the office right now. You should see it on the screen. I will run around this office. I'll go and I'll say, I'll rip it off if we get 30 more points. I'll do it. I'll do it. Don't tempt me with a good time. I'm still on my final runner. Still on my final runner. As a reminder, make sure y'all hit that follow button or subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on the TikTok, make sure you follow. I'm live every single morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I give you guys the best trades I possibly can, help you guys get funded, help you guys start your day trading journey or continue it if you're not a new trader. All I ask is you hit that follow button and you join us live every day. We have a great community here. Uh-oh, it's coming. The big one's coming, baby. It's coming. It's coming. I just want it all. Yeah, Big Zo, that was nasty, bro. That 450 was absolutely nasty. $60-point winner. We have 30 more minutes to not get stopped out and to go to low of day. I'm actually going to put my stops at 26. At 26, guys, 426, I will get hard stopped out of my final runner. 426. I will get hard stopped out. That was so gangster, man. That was so gangster. I'm a gangster 8245. I'm actually not a gangster at all, but that was pretty sweet. That was pretty sweet. As a reminder, y'all, Apex is 50% off still. So if you use code Jdun on Apex Trader Funding, you can save yourself 50% off. It's the biggest deal right now. You can get funded as soon as tomorrow. You can have an account. I will do my absolute best to help you guys get passed and funded tomorrow. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, please. And you do not do it. It literally inched. It just completely edged my stop loss. It just edged my stop loss. Or my take profit, I guess you could say. It edged it. Close to 426. Don't do it. Let this be the lower high. It edged it. Come on. Yup. Come on. Now let us go lower. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, baby. We edged the stop loss. We won't lower now. We won't lower. We want lower.
Thank you. Please give it to me.
Come on. Give it to us, baby. Come on. Whatever you do, do not be shy. Don't be shy, baby. Don't be shy. $426, I'll get stopped out. 426. I'll tell you, getting stopped out, 26 points in profit. After multiple trims, I'm happy with it. I'm very, very happy with it. Very, very extremely happy with it. Come on. Keep it pushing. I got a feeling we're about to go on a heater the next 2 days, too. So as a reminder, the 3 best deals right now using code Jdun are Apex is 50% off, FFF is 60% off, and Tradeify is 50% off on their straight to funded as well because they lowered their bottom line price. All great deals. You can use code Jdun, and I'll do my best, just like I did today, and yesterday, and the day before, and every day to help you guys get funded, pass your challenges, and get paid out, or make money in your live account if you're not a prop firm trader. Help you guys learn, get high probability setups, hold your winners. Stay patient. Heck. Who's in Team Bull and wants to come trade with me on Friday? In Colorado.
Me.
Gene doesn't count. Who's in Colorado and wants to come trade live with me? Someone said nobody? Well, I guess nobody. I guess I'm trading alone again.
Who wants to come hang out with me?
Gene comes with it. We're going to get low a day, and I'm going to take my shirt off and start running around. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Maybe. That was awesome, baby. Let's go, Digital Dad, baby. Bro, so I'm taking my money tonight. Jdun got me to $17.50 payout requirement. Let's go. Damn. That's all I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, so I'm looking at ticket prices from Brooklyn. Hey, he's up in Thornton. All right. You're up in Mildhood. Gene does not like Thornton. He's a hater. I like Thornton. I used to live up there.
I lived there for a year and I didn't know.
I enjoyed it. Just saying.
Lakewood, Pendleton.
I enjoyed it. All right, come on. Give us the low of day push now. This is the final countdown. We want the low of day. Hey, taking the money y'all made today for my daughters. Oh my gosh, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. That's amazing. Hi, Riker. Hi, Riker. He looks huge. Yeah, I'm on the live stream. I just figured I'd stop and say I just caught an absolute massive trade. Say go Dada. Dada's crushing it. Dada ain't playing around. All right, love you, bye. Don't. Oh, whoops. Whoops. That was absolutely legit. All right, come on. Low of day now. Let me run around. Let me run around with my shirt off. I swear I'll do it. I'll do it if we get my low of day. That'll be a 100-point trade. Yup, still got my runner. Yeah, if you guys want to type, just type in the stage chat. Things are going to get wild. If we get 100 points in this trade, I swear, things are going to get wild, Team Bowl. Y'all see that? Y'all see the room? Y'all say hi to Mr. Gene. Because we get 20 more points, 30 more points. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. This room will be ran through. This room will be ran through. Completely and utterly ran through, baby. This man, GD said, Jdun has made me 10K this month. Hey, appreciate you, GD. I feel like I've seen you around before. I feel like I've seen you around. Bro, we just caught an absolute massive trade. Massive. 60-plus points. Massive. Couldn't have been more clear. Can't be touched. Can't be stopped. You just can't stop it. Ugh. Come on. Drop us to low of day. Drop us to low of day. We did. We took the shorts together up at 52. Up at 52. Depending on your fill, probably 50s. Come on. Drop a low. I think we're going to get it. I think we're going to get that low day. Or they might just want to pin us at 400. They might just want to pin us. They may just want to pin us at 400. Not talking to chat is insane. Bro, I caught y'all a banger. What you mean? Up 500. Thanks, Jdun. Let's go. Bro said up 500. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, dog. Come on, other way. Other way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Don't hit 426. Don't do it. I gotta plug my phone in. Don't hit 426. I'm begging you, NQ. Please stop. Please don't do it. Come on. Oh no. Did it just... Yep. My stop got hit, guys. My stop got hit. My stop got hit. My stop got hit. No! I want a mega trade. I wanted to take my shirt off for y'all. It's all right. I'm still super happy with how that played out. We got over 60 points on that. Well, I'm glad we could catch a dub together, my friends. I wasn't supposed to trade. FOMO watching you, then made it back with your trade. Let's go. Nice. I'm glad you made some money. That's what's up. I'm very happy with how today went. Tell y'all that much. I'm happy with it. It depends. Full size, anywhere from 30, 40 to call it 50 micros. Low size, I'll go as low as 5 to 10. Half a mini or a full mini. Just depends on the situation and how much I'm up or down or vice versa. We got 10 more minutes. A banger trade from the Team Bull office. Let's go. A banger trade from the Team Bull office. From the Team Bull HQ, baby. From the Team Bull HQ. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 50% off. So if you're on the live stream and you want to trade with me tomorrow, yes, sir, make sure you use code Jdun with Apex Trader Funding. It's my most preferred firm. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. If you want to trade futures with me tomorrow, you can use code Jdun with Apex Trader Funding. Yes, sir. Jokic ain't going nowhere. Stop it. Looks like our stop loss was in the right place. We can confirm that. We can confirm that. And it's back to our entry. The algo time ripped it. I think we're going to have some real good price action the next 2 days, too. I'm excited. I think we're going to have some real good price action. I'm hoping so, at least. Am I watching NVIDIA? I mean, not really. I got a lot of long-term NVIDIA. I love that stock. I love what they do. I love what they do. We got 7 more minutos. What are y'all doing the rest of the day? Y'all got any plans? What are you doing positive the rest of the day? What do y'all got positively planned for the rest of the day? How are you going to better yourself? That's my question. What are we about to do to keep the momentum moving? That's my question for y'all. Practice trading, do some back testing. Okay. Gonna shower, that's good. It won't stink. I want to take my girl out to dinner after this $1,000 day. I see you, Jonas. Enjoy that payout. That's what's up, my bro. What do you think a person with no life should do? Get a life. Get some purpose in it. Find something you love. Build a skill. Get in shape. That's how you build a life. Take my son to football camp. Nice. Go home and eat salmon. That's what's up. Get that wild caught, man. I know the farm raised tastes better, but the wild caught's where all the nutrients are. Sleep. Nice. I see you. I see you. I do have internet connected computers. Check it out. In my 8,000 square foot office that I can afford to pay $7,000 a month for. And I don't even notice it. It's pretty cool, huh? That I have students come. And that I catch bangers in front of. Like today when I caught 60 plus points for all y'all. That's what I do. All you got to do is tap in and hit that follow button. You can learn too and catch bangers. Easy money. If y'all hit that follow button, congratulations. You're one step closer to catching bangers every day. Just join me on this TikTok or YouTube. Yes, sir. You got 5 minutes. It's midnight in Africa, so take some sleep. I'm an independent running insurance claims, so I'll be able to help people recover from losses to get them back to where they were. Love my job. I love trading a little more. Don't blame you. Trading's awesome. Absolutely massive. Is there any way to get a spot in your office to learn in person? Just be a part of Team Bull. And I invite members out here and there. Also, make sure you guys hit that follow buttons for any opportunities. Sometimes in the next 6 months, I'll plan on having members out here. So if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys are following here on TikTok and join me tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I live between Colorado and Wyoming. It's kind of cloudy out, huh, Gene? Yeah, looks cloudy. Looks cloudy. Are you setting up that table? All right, guys, we're upgrading the tables at the office. People were being mean about our white tables, so we got some wooden ones. Got some wooden ones, as you guys can see on the stream. We got some wooden tables. Where's my camera button? There we go. You guys see that? Gene setting up the tables. Shout out my bro. Is this a legit page? Yep, come every single day. Here, I trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. You can ask the chat for people that come every day. How do we do? How did I do this morning? How did I do yesterday? How have I done the last 2, 3, 4 months? Our main audience is in the morning. We have a lot of people that come. A lot of people. Yep. Futures every day. Some options, but mostly futures. You can trade futures or options alongside my Spire QQQ. Hitting bangers. Yep. That's what we do. Definitely a good place to be. Appreciate you, Guns. Thank you, bro. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button and joining me every day. If you're looking to get into trading, this is the spot. I'm not in any trades. Long-term equity you like? I mean, I liked Nvidia down at wherever it was, 87 when I called it out. Now you should be able to see the tables. Look at the screen. Big Rock, can you not see it on the screen share? On Discord stages? There we go. Yep, got the tables. Getting everything put together. I got Brandon's Discord logged into my computer too, so I gotta get mine logged in. My 2FA device wasn't here, so I couldn't get logged in. Yeah, come on, Big Rock. Anytime, man. Hey, Stanley, you're welcome, bro. Glad I could help you guys catch a winner. One more minute. Four, three, two, one, bang! Beautiful power hour and FOMC stream, guys. I'm glad we could catch a winner. As a reminder, if you want to trade futures with me tomorrow, make sure you use code Jdun with Apex for 50% off, FFF for 60% off, or Tradeify for 50% off. We're about to go on a generational 2-day run, and I look forward to trading with y'all tomorrow, Team Bull. God bless you guys, and have a great rest of your night, okay? Choose discipline over dopamine. Do something positive for yourself. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys in the live tomorrow morning. Peace, everybody. Adios, guys. God bless. Adios, TikTok, YouTube. Thank you guys for being here. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys in the morning stream, all right?